Okay, we've got the ridge cap, at least this section on this roof now, and we're going to show you the ridge hooks. Now typically this wouldn't be necessary until you get right to the end and you've got no more anchors to tie off to. The anchors then double as a point to hook these ridge hooks into, and we're really excited about these things. These can be used anytime after the roof install is done. Solar installs, insurance guys, roof repairs, HVAC technicians, you name it. They can get up here and put these in and work on the roof safely without any additional holes in the sheeting. So what we've got here, this is a pair. There's a pair of these hooks. They've got a strap between them. You simply hook your lanyard right onto this handle and do your thing. There is a pin, a little roll pin. See it here on this side of the ridge hook. If you were to fall, you'd exert pressure on this, it would shear that pin, the handle comes down flat onto the ridge and catches you. Now if your ridge hook looks like this, you probably ought to send it back to Ridgeline Safety, and hopefully it's already done its job and it saved your life. But I put this one up here without replacing this handle for demonstration. This thing has taken an 870-pound weight drop from about 3 foot. We've been playing around doing some in-house testing and getting ready to send these off for third-party testing for to make sure we meet OSHA standards and are in manufacturing these in a way that they're going to save people's lives. So this already took a hit. This should not be used, but for demonstration purposes it's probably pretty good. So at any rate, these just slide up into the ridge cap. They've got a little rubber foot here that is non-marring for the cap. You tighten that down. They've got a rubber or a soft plastic pad on the bottom so they do not scratch the steel, and that's that. You can work on either side of the roof. Now we recommend, if you're working on this plane of the roof here, to hook on the opposite side of the ridge. It's a little bit safer, but they're tested both ways. If you fall off this side of the roof and are hooked to this hook here, it's going to pull out and the strap is going to hold you. These straps are tested to 5,000 pounds. So it will work either way and hopefully keep you safe and on the roof in the event of a fall. This roof here is just a little bit different. Well, not different, but it's got a vented ridge. So you really ought to, it's a little bit of a pain, but you ought to pull a section of that vent out just to make sure you're getting full insertion up into that ridge, because you really have to be fully seated up in there. And with that being said, it is imperative to make sure you are fully on an anchor. In this system here, with putting the trim on last, you can easily reach your hand up under here. You can feel where the anchor starts and ends, and you just really need to make sure this ridge cap, the anchor, the ridge hook, is in an anchor fully in order for it to be safe. Anyways, that's that, and this is something that is patent pending, and we're hoping to get to the market soon, so stay tuned, and hopefully we'll bring these to a whole lot of roofs around here.